Welcome to Sharad V More English School online lecture. So, student, we have already started the question number 6. Let's revise and complete the remaining part of that question. Now, see the question again. Okay, see the question. If sum of the third and eighth term of AP is 7 and sum of the 14th and 7th term is minus 3, then find the 10th term. So for finding the 10th term, we need the A value and D value. Okay. So here list is not given directly. So here we will use the formula of Tn for the third term and eighth term, and we will make the two equations, and from that two equations we will find out the value of A and D, and then by substituting into the formula of Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 D, we will get the tenth term. So yes, here we have made the two equations. Now we have to find out the value of A and D. So let's see. Okay, the next part of it. Okay, student. Now see, yes, equation number 5 is 2A plus 9D is equals to 7, and equation number 6 is 2A plus 19D is equals to minus 3. Now subtracting equation number 6 from equation number 5. Okay, so here 2A plus 9D is equals to 7, and equation number 6 is 2A plus 19D is equals to minus 3. Okay, now yes, on subtraction the sign will get changed. So this will become plus 3 and this will become minus, and this will become minus. Okay, so now 7 plus 3 is equals to 10, and 19D minus 9D is equals to minus 10D. Here greater number is 19 and bears the negative sign, that's why it is a minus 10D, and this will become 0. So therefore D is equals to 10 upon minus 10. So 10 1 ja 10, 10 1 ja 10. So therefore D value is equals to minus 1. So here now we got the value of A, we have to find out the value of D. Substituting value of D in equation number 5. Okay, so 2A plus 9, 9 into D, D value is equals to minus 1 is equals to 7. So therefore 2A is equals to 9 into minus 1 is equals to minus 9 is equals to 7. So therefore 2A, now yes, bring this 9 on the right hand side, so this will become plus 9. So therefore 2A is equals to 9 plus 7 is equals to 16. So therefore A is equals to 16 upon 2. So therefore A is equals to 8. So now yes, we got the value of A as 8. Now we have to find out what the 10th term, okay, of this AP. इसका कौन सा टर्म निकालना हम लोगों को, 10th टर्म फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके, okay, now yes, use the formula Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So therefore T10 is equals to, now A value is equals to 8 plus, now at place of the n 10 will come, 10 minus 1, D value is equals to minus 1. So therefore T10 is equals to 8 plus 10 minus 1 is equals to 9, 9 into minus 1, 9 into minus 1, so this will equals to minus 9. So therefore T10 is equals to plus minus minus. So here 9 minus 8 is equals to 1. Okay, student, understood? So write down the answer. The 10th term of the given AP is minus 1. Full stop. Okay, student, understood? Now see the next question. Question number 7. Question number 7. Observe करो carefully. In an AP, the first term is minus 5. Okay, AP में first term क्या है? Minus 5. And the last term is 45. Last term is 45. Means Tn value is given as the 45. And first term means A value is equals to minus 5. If sum of all numbers in the AP is 120. Okay, now Sn value is given. Sn value is equals to 120. Sn की वैल्यू क्या है? 120. देन हाउ मेनी टर्म्स आर देयर? तो कितने टर्म्स है? मीन्स वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द n वैल्यू. व्हाट इज द कॉमन डिफरेंस? एंड व्हाट इज द कॉमन डिफरेंस मीन्स d वैल्यू भी हम लोगों को फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके, so understood what the information are given in question number 7. The first term, that is a value, a is equals to t1 or a value is given, and last term is equals to tn value is given, and sn is given as 120. So let's first write down the givens. Okay, givens, and then use the formula to find out the value of n. Okay, now yes, solution of question number 7. Question number 7. So here what is given? A value is equals to T1 is equals to minus 5, comma, Tn means last term of this is equals to 45, comma, Sn is equals to 120. All these are givens. ये तीनों के तीनों क्या है? Givens है. Now what we have to find out the value of n is question mark. Now yes, we know that Sn is equals to n upon 2 plus n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So now it's another formula. इसका जो दूसरा फॉर्मूला क्या है? Sn is equals to n upon 2 in bracket, okay, t1 plus tn when the first term and the last term is known. So that time we can use this formula directly. So here yes, Sn value is given as 120, n value we have to find out, and t1 is equals to minus 5 and tn is equals to 45. So this is the formula, and here substituting the values. Okay, now solve the bracket. 120 into 2 is equals to n, and here 45 minus 5 is equals to 40. 45 is the greater number and it is positive, so here positive 40 will come. Okay, now yes, 120 into 2 upon 40 is equals to n. 0 get cancelled. 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4. Now again 2 1 are 2, 2 6 are 12. So therefore n is equals to 6. So now yes, there are total 6 terms. कितने terms है उस क्वेश्चन में? उस AP में 6 terms है. Now we have to find out the value of the common difference, means d value. तो d value भी हम लोगों को find out करना है. Yes, now we having the n value, we having the first term. So by using the value of first term and value of d, we can find out the yes common difference. Common difference हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं? Find out कर सकते हैं. So now see Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 bracket close into d. So now t value is given already. Tn is equals to 45 and a value is equals to minus 5. So here we have to use the Tn formula of the Tn. So therefore T6, okay, now n value is equals to 6, therefore T6 is equals to a value is equals to minus 5 plus, now yes, n is equals to 6 minus 1 into d. So therefore now yes, T6 value already given as 45. So this is the 45 is equals to minus 5 plus 6 minus 6 minus 1 is equals to 5. So 5 into d is equals to 5d. Since Tn is equals to 45, okay, Tn की वैल्यू कितनी है 45 एंड n is equals to 6, n की वैल्यू कितनी है 6 दैट वी फाउंड. ये जो हम लोगों ने फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन में क्या किया, फाइंड आउट किया. तो देयरफॉर now 45, now bring this 5 on this side, this will become plus 5. So this is the 5d. Now 45 plus 5 is equals to 50. 50 is equals to 5d. So therefore 50 upon 5 is equals to d. So therefore d is equals to 10. Okay, student, understood? So here we found the value of n is equals to 6, means there are the 6 terms and d value is equals to 10. Now yes, write down the answer in word. There are 6 terms in the AP. The common difference d is equals to 10, full stop. Okay student, yes, now let's see the question number 8. Question number 8 अभी हम लोगों को देखना है. Observe the question number 8. Okay, observe करो question number 8. The sum of the first to n natural number is 36. Sum of the first to n natural number is 36. Then find the value of n. Okay, तो क्या फाइंड आउट करना है, वैल्यू ऑफ n की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है. और क्या दिया है, सम ऑफ द फर्स्ट, सम ऑफ द 1 to n natural number is 36. So sum is given, we have to find out the value of n की वैल्यू हम लोगों को फाइंड आउट करनी है. So here, yes, by making the list we can find out the value of a and value of d, because we know that the natural number is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. तो यहाँ से नेचुरल नंबर स्टार्ट होगा. तो देखो स्टूडेंट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, the list of natural numbers is 1 2 3 4 5 6 and so on. Now yes, this is in AP में है. Therefore a is equals to 1 and d is equals to t2 minus t1. So t2 is equals to 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. So now here we having the value of a and value of d, and sum of the natural number Sn value is given as 36. Sn is equals to 36. So n is equals to question mark. n की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है. Sn की वैल्यू ऑलरेडी इस क्वेश्चन में मेंशन है. So now use the formula Sn is equals to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 in bracket close into t. So here Sn is equals to 36 upon n upon 2 into a, value of a is equals to 1 plus, now yes, n value we have to find out n minus 1. Now yes, d value is equals to 1. So therefore, now yes, 36 into 2, this is equals to n. 2 into 1 is equals to plus 1 into n is equals to n. 1 into minus 1 is equals to minus 1. So this is equals to 72. 72 and 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. So this equals to 1 because 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. 1 plus n. Okay. To multiply yes n with this bracket, these two terms present in the bracket. So this is equals 72. N into 1 is equals to n. N into n is equals to n square. Now arrange the terms. N square plus n. Now bring this 72 on the right hand side. This will become minus 72. This equals to 0. So now this is the quadratic equation. N square plus n minus 72. This is equals to 0. So here we have to find out the factors such that the difference between the factors is equals to 1. 1 into minus 72 is equals to minus 72. 8 9 72, and difference of these two is 1. And this matches with the middle term because in middle term there is 1n and it is positive, so greater number will be positive and smaller number will be negative. So therefore n square plus 9 into and 9n minus 8n minus 72 is equals to 0. So here yes, quadratic equation is formed. Now yes, take the n as common. So n plus 9. So here we will get the 8 as common. So n plus 9 is equals to 0. Therefore n plus 9 in next bracket n minus 8 is equals to 0. So therefore n plus 9 is equals to 0 or n minus 8 is equals to 0. So therefore n is equals to minus 9 and n is equals to 8. Okay, now yes, in question the numbers are natural number, but minus 9 is not a natural number. This is unacceptable. Therefore value of n is equals to 8. The natural number cannot be negative. The natural number cannot be negative. Therefore n is equals to minus 9 is unacceptable. Therefore n is equals to 8. Okay, so write down the answer. The value of n is 8. The value of n is 8. Okay, means the sum of the first 8 term of the natural numbers is equals to 36. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि जो क्या है ये फर्स्ट 8 नेचुरल नंबर से उनका जो सम है वो कितना होगा 36 होगा. इट्स क्लियर नाउ. ओके, नाउ यस लेट्स सी द क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 देखेंगे हम लोग. ऑब्जर्व द क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. डिवाइड 207 इन 3 पार्ट्स. 207 को क्या करना है 3 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना है. सच दैट ऑल पार्ट्स आर इन एपी. और वो क्या होना चाहिए इस टाइप से डिवाइड करना है कि वो तीनों पार्ट्स क्या हो एपी में हो. एंड प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द टू स्मॉलर पार्ट्स विल बी 4623. ओके, क्या बोला ये. Divide the 207 in 3 parts such that all parts are in AP. वो तीनों के तीनों पार्ट्स AP में हो. एंड प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द टू स्मॉलर पार्ट्स विल बी. और वो जो स्मॉलर पार्ट्स होंगे उन दोनों का प्रोडक्ट जो होगा 4623 होगा. ओके, अंडरस्टूड. क्वेश्चन समझ में आ गया कि 207 को कितने पार्ट्स बनाना है 3 पार्ट्स बनाना है। और उसके बाद क्या दिया है इस कंडीशन कि क्या है ये वो तीनों पार्ट्स क्या होगा एपी में होगा, एंड जो प्रोडक्ट होगा स्मॉलर 2 पार्ट्स का, जो दोनों छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स होंगे उनके प्रोडक्ट क्या होंगे 4623 होगा। ओके, तो नाउ लेट्स सी द सॉल्यूशन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, let the three parts of 207 is, now yes first part a minus d, second part a, and third part a plus d। तो हम लोगों ने क्या कंसिडर किया कि 207 का जो क्या है ये 3 पार्ट्स, मतलब जो फर्स्ट टर्म है, फर्स्ट टर्म इज a माइनस डी, सेकेंड टर्म इज a, एंड थर्ड टर्म इज a प्लस डी है। और क्या दिया क्वेश्चन में, प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द स्मॉलर पार्ट्स। ओके, जो इसमें स्मॉलर पार्ट्स है उनका जो प्रोडक्ट है वो कितना है 4623 है। ओके, let the three parts of 207 is a minus d, a plus d, which are in AP, जो किसमें है AP में, मतलब वो अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशंस में है। Now ये sum of these 3 parts, sum of these 3 parts is 207। ओके, इन 3 पार्ट्स का सम क्या होगा 207। तो therefore a minus d plus a plus d is equals to 207। so here condition is given indirectly, डायरेक्टली क्वेश्चन में नहीं दिया है, इनडायरेक्टली वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि हम कोई नंबर को अगर 3 पार्ट्स में ब्रेक करते तो तीनों का सम क्या होगा जो उस नंबर के इक्वल होना चाहिए। फॉर एग्जांपल व्हेन वी ब्रेक द 10 इनटू 3 पार्ट्स, अगर हम 10 को 3 पार्ट्स में ब्रेक करते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल 1 4 1 4 और 5 में, तो तीनों को ऐड करने के बाद क्या आना चाहिए फाइनली 10 ही आना चाहिए ना। तो वैसे ही क्या किया हमने 207 को 3 पार्ट से a माइनस डी, ए और a प्लस डी में ब्रेक किया, तो तीनों का सम क्या होगा 207 होगा। नाउ ओपन द ब्रैकेट a minus d plus a plus d is equals to 207। now here dd get cancelled because it becomes 0, okay, minus d plus d, so here 3a is equals to 207, so therefore a is equals to 207 upon 3। okay, so yes 3 1 ja 3, 3 6 ja 18, now yes remainder is 2, 2 and 7 become 27, 3 9 ja 27, so therefore a value is equals to 69। a की वैल्यू हम लोगों को मिल गई। नाउ यस product of smaller numbers is 4623। so therefore now is first number is smallest number here a minus d, and second number is a, this is equal to 4623, so therefore a into a is equals to, Okay, now you substitute the value instead of this multiplication. So here A is equals to 69, 69 minus D into 69 is equals to 4623. So this is equals to 69 minus D is equals to 4623 upon 69. Okay, now yes, let's see these numbers are divisible by 2 or not. So yes, these two numbers having the 3 and 9 at their unit place, that's why they are not divisible by 2. So let's check with the yes 3. It is divisible by 3 or not. Yes, this is divisible by 3, and let's check this 4 plus 10 10, 4 plus 6 10, 10 and 2 12, 12 and 3 15. So yes, sum of these digits is 15. Now 15 is completely divisible by 3, that's why 4623 will also divisible by 3. So now yes, 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 15, 3 4 ja 12, and 3 1 ja 3, and this is 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9. Okay, so now yes, 69 minus d is equals to 1549 upon 23. Now 23 is divisible by only 23. So let's check that 1541 is divisible by 23 or not. Okay, so yes, 1541 divided by the 23, 23. Okay, so now yes, 22 7 ja 14, 2 7 ja 14. So that's why 7 3 is 21, carry 2, 7 2 is 14, 14 and 2 16. So this is greater than 154. That's why yes, this will not be subtracted. So let's read the table of 23. 6 times 6 3 is 18, carry 1, 6 3 is 18, carry 1, 6 2 is 12 and 1 13. Subtract 138 from 154. 14 minus 8 is equals to 6. Here 4 minus 3 is equals to 1, and 1 becomes 0. Yes, here 161. Okay, now yes, divide 161 by 23. 7 3 is 21, carry 2, 7 2 is 14, and 2 16. So therefore 69 minus d is equals to yes 67. So therefore minus d is equals to 67. Now bring this 69 on the right hand side. This will become minus 69. So therefore minus d is equals to minus 2. So therefore d is equals to 2. So now yes, we having the value of a and value of d. Now yes, substituting a and d, we will get the three numbers. Therefore a minus d is equals to value of a is equals to 69 minus d value is equals to 2. So this is equals to 69 minus 2 is equals to 67, and a value is equals to 69, and a plus d is equals to 69 plus 2 is equals to 71. Okay, now write down the answer. The required three parts of 207 are 67, 69, 71, and these three numbers are in AP, और ये तीनों के तीनों क्या है, AP में है. ओके स्टूडेंट, इट्स क्लियर नाउ कि हम लोगों को क्या करना था, 207 को क्या करना था, ब्रेक करना था थ्री पार्ट्स में, और ऐसे पार्ट्स में ब्रेक करना था सो दैट दे मस्ट बी इन AP. तो हियर लुक, yes there is a difference of the two. दो तीनों में क्या है, ये डिफरेंस कितने का, 2 2 को है. तो ये क्या है, ये AP में भी है, और तीनों का सम भी क्या मिल रहा है हम लोगों को, 207. इट्स क्लियर नाउ. Okay, now let's see the question number 10. अब हम लोगों को क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 देखना है। ये ऑब्जर्व द क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 फर्स्ट। 10th क्वेश्चन देखो स्टूडेंट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10। There are 37 terms in an AP. Okay, there are 37 terms in an AP. The sum of the three terms placed exactly at the middle is 225 and the sum of the last three terms is 429. Write the AP. What is given here? There are 37 terms in AP. Total terms कितना है उस AP में? 37. The sum of the three terms placed exactly at the middle. अब इसमें जो क्या है, ये जो तीन टर्म्स है जो एग्जैक्टली मिडल में है, तो उनका जो क्या आ रहा है, ये सम जो आ रहा है उनका वो क्या है, 225 है। एंड द सम ऑफ द लास्ट थ्री टर्म्स इज 429, और जो लास्ट के तीन टर्म्स है उनका जो सम है 429 है। तो राइट द एपी। तो वो एपी क्या होगा? तो यस, फॉर राइटिंग द एपी वी नीड द वैल्यू ऑफ ए एंड वैल्यू ऑफ डी। हम लोगों को ए और डी की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी पड़ेगी। नाउ यस 37 क्या है, ये ऑड नंबर है। ओके, ऑड नंबर। तो जो क्या होगा, ये 37 इफ डिवाइडेड बाय 2, तो वी विल गेट द 18, 18 टू जा 16। ओके, तो जो 17th नंबर होगा, 17th टर्म होगा, वो एग्जैक्टली मिडल में होगा। ओके, क्या होगा? एग्जैक्टली मिडल में कौन होगा? 17th टर्म। ओके, 19th term will be exactly at the middle. So before that 18th term, and after the 19th term 20th term will come. It means sum of the 18th, 19th and 20th term is 225, and sum of the last three terms, it means the sum of the 37, 36 and 35 will is equals to 429. So by using or by making the two equation, we have to find out the value of A and value of D. Once we got the value of A and value of D, we can write down the AP. Let's see its solution. इसका solution अब देखेंगे हम लोग कि क्या करना है हम लोगों को। Okay, yes, I think you understood the condition. Condition समझ में आ गया होगा कि condition है क्या उस question में। Okay student, yes, now see the solution of 10th question. Solution. Okay, अब देखो यहाँ पे ये क्या है, ये टोटल 37 sums are there. So here n is equals to 37. Therefore the middle term, of the AP, middle term of the AP is equals to n plus 1 upon 2. So here 37 plus 1 upon 2 is equals to 38 upon 2 is equals to 19. So middle term is 19. Okay. So therefore the three middle terms are, because yes 19th is exactly in the middle, and yes before that 18th term will be there, and after the 19th 20th term will be there. So therefore three middle terms, okay, for this AP are 18th, 19th and 20th Now yes, according to given condition, sum of the 18 plus 19 plus 20 sum is equals to 2